Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clear Google My Activity history. So open Google and sign into your Google account. Next, click your profile in the top right corner. So in here, click Manage your Google account. Next, on the left side, select Data and Privacy, or you can just click My Activity from here. So let's click Data and Privacy. Now, under Personalization and Activity, select My Activity. So this is where you can view and manage history saved in your Google account when you use certain Google services. So click on that. Now in here, you can scroll down and you should see all of your Google activities. So here you can filter by date, you can search your activity, or you can delete everything. So click this delete button. Then you can choose last hour, last day, all time, or custom it. So let's select all time, for example. So confirm you would like to delete the following activity and click got it or close. And that's it. If you don't want to delete everything, you can delete it one by one. So in here, you can just scroll down and you should see all of your activities. Then just click the X button beside it to delete it. And that's it. Thank you for watching.